Do you want to know how you can sign up for Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Midjourney. Go ahead and search for Midjourney AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Midjourney. You can see the sign in option on the bottom right hand side. This also works as the sign up. So in order for you to sign into your Midjourney account or sign up to your Midjourney account, first of all you must have your Discord account, so make sure you have created a Discord account. Then go ahead and click sign in, which is on the bottom right hand side, and it will take you to this page which is your Discord login portal. So you can click not you if you don't want to access that account, and go ahead and click add account if you want to add an account, or you can select any of those accounts which you have seen. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create a Discord account, and the next step is to write down your Discord email address or phone number in this box, your password in the second box, and then click login. Then it will detect your Discord ID and you can see authorize over here. Go ahead and click authorize. Wait for a while, and then you will be logged in and you will be signed up to your Midjourney using your Discord account. So guys, this is how you create a Midjourney account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.